Good morning. Welcome to MIDS Gurukul channel. How are you? I hope you will be healthy and happy. One request to you, please subscribe this channel and also share this video to your classmates. Today I am going to solve the next question of this lesson, but first let me solve the question that I gave you for practice. Okay? The question of practice is, how many terms of the AP 24, 21, 18 ... must be taken so that their sum is 78. Solution 1. Given A is equal to 24, D is equal to 21 minus 24 is equal to minus 3. Sn is equal to 78. Because Sn is equal to 78, therefore n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d is equal to 78. Implies n by 2 into 24 plus n minus 1 into minus 3 is equal to 78. Implies n by 2 into 24 into 2, 48, minus 3 into n, minus 3n, minus minus plus 3 is equal to 78. Implies n by 2, 48 plus 3, 51, minus 3n is equal to 78. Implies n by 2, 3 is common, then 3 1 are 3 7 are 20, 17 minus n is equal to 78. 78 divided by 3, then 3 2 are 6, 1 7, 18, 3 6 are 18. Implies n into 17 minus n is equal to 26 into 2. Implies 17n minus n square is equal to 52. Implies 0 is equal to 52 minus 17n plus n square. Implies, rearrange them, n square minus 17n plus 52 is equal to 0. Now 52 is divided by 2 parts such that the two parts, the sum of these two parts is 17. Then you can also write n square 52 to 26 to 30. 52 is equal to 2 into 2 into 13. It means that 4 into 30. We add 13 plus 4 is equal to 17 and 17. Okay, so we write here minus 4n minus 13n plus 52 is equal to 0. Implies n common, n minus 4 minus 3 common, n minus 4 is equal to 0. Implies n minus 4 common, n minus 13, then n minus 13 is equal to 0. Therefore n is equal to minus 4 go to the plus 4, or n is equal to 13. Both are possible because the value of n is positive. So we can write here, show the number of terms is either 4 or 3. Answer. Now come to the point, come to the exercise. .3. The next question, question number 5. Question number 5. The terms of an AP is 5, the last term is 45 and the sum is 400. Find the numbers of terms and the common difference. Given n is equal to 5, L is equal to 45, Sn, it means that S5. Sn means S5 because there are 5 terms. A is equal to 5. First term is 5. Sn is equal to 400 because Sn is equal to 400. Therefore n by 2 into A plus L is equal to 400, implies n into 5 plus 45 is equal to 400. 2 is go to the side and 400 into 2, implies n into 45 and 5 50 is equal to 400 into 4 58 are 400, implies n is equal to 8 2 are 16. Now because L is equal to 45, therefore A plus n minus 1 into D is equal to 45, implies 5 plus 16 minus 1 into D is equal to 45, implies 15D is equal to 45 minus 5, implies D is equal to 40 by 15. 5 3 are 15, 5 8 are 14, implies D is equal to 8 by 3. Hence n is equal to 16 and D common difference is equal to 8 by 3. Answer. The next question, question number 6. The first term and the last term of an AP are 17 and 350 respectively. If the common difference is 9, how many terms are there and what is their sum? Given A is equal to 17, L is equal to 350, D is equal to L is equal to 3, D is equal to 9. Now because L is equal to 350, therefore A plus n minus 1 into D is equal to 350, implies 17 plus n minus 1 into 9 is equal to 350, implies n minus 1 into 9 is equal to 350 minus 17, implies n minus 1 into 9 is equal to 10 minus 7 3, 4 minus 1 3, 333. 333 divided by 9, then we get 9 3 are 27, 6 9 7 are 63, implies n is equal to 37 plus 1, implies n is equal to 37 plus 1 is equal to 38. Now because Sn is equal to n by 2 into a plus l is equal to 38 by 2 into 350 17 plus 350 is equal to 17 19 into 7516 367. When we multiply 367 by 19, then we get 6973. Hence n is equal to 38 and sum Sn is equal to 6973. Answer. Now the next question, question number 7. Find the sum of first 22 terms of an AP in which t is equal to 7 and 22 terms is 149. Solution 7. Given d is equal to 7, t22 is equal to 149, or we can also write a22. Now because t22 is equal to 149, therefore a plus 21d is equal to 149, implies a is equal to 149 minus 21 into d is equal to 7 is equal to, implies a is equal to 149 minus 7 1 are 7 7 2 are 14, 147, implies a is equal to 2. Now we have to find the sum of first 22 terms. Now because Sn is equal to n by 2 into a plus l, so S22 is equal to 22 by 2 into a plus t22 is equal to 11, 22 divided by 2, then 11 into a 2 plus t22 149 is equal to 11 into 151 is equal to 11 1 are 11, 15 1 16, 1 12, 15 1 11 5 55, 160, 56 5 11 5 5 and 11 1 11 5 16, 1661. Hence S22 is equal to 1661. Answer. Now the next question, Question number 8. Find the sum of first 51 term of NAP whose second and third term are 14 and 18 respectively. Given A2 is equal to 14, A3 is equal to 18. Now, because A2 is equal to 14, therefore A plus D is equal to 14. Implies A is equal to 14 minus D. Equation 1. Again, A3 is equal to (18). Therefore, A2 plus D is equal to 18, because A3 is equal to A2 plus D. Implies A2 is equal to 14 plus D is equal to 18. Implies D is equal to 18 minus 14. Implies D is equal to 4. Now putting the value of D in equation 1. In equation 1, A is equal to 14 minus 4 is equal to 10. Now, because Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d, therefore S 51 is equal to 51 by 2 into 2 into 10 plus 51 minus 1 into 4. 51 by 2 into 10 to a 20 minus 50 into plus 50 into 4 is equal to 51 by 2 into 20 plus 200. 51 by 2 into 220, 11, 0. 11 1 are 11, 11 5 55 1 56, 5610. Hence S51 is equal to 5610. Answer. Question number 9. If the sum of first 7 term of an AP is 49 and that of 17 term is 218, find the sum of first n terms. Solution 9. Given S7 is equal to 49, S17 is equal to 289. Now, because S7 is equal to 49, therefore 7 by 2 into 2a plus 60 is equal to 49. 7 7 are 49. Implies 2a plus 6d is equal to 7 into 2, implies 2a plus 60 is equal to 14. Now this is divided by 2, then we get a plus 3d is equal to 7. Implies a is equal to 7 minus 3d, equation 1. Again, S17 is equal to 289, implies 17 by 2 into 2a plus 16d is equal to 289. 17 are 289. Implies 2 common. 2 into a plus 8d is equal to 17 into 2. This 2 is go to other side. 2 cancel. Implies a plus 8d is equal to 17. Implies we have to put the value of a from equation 1 in this. Then 7 minus 3d plus 8d is equal to 17 from equation 1, implies 5d is equal to 17 minus 7 implies 5d is equal to 10, 5 2 are 10, d is equal to 2. Now put the value of d in equation 1. Equation 1, then a is equal to 7 minus 3 into 2 is equal to 7 minus 6 is equal to 1. We have to find the value of first n term. Now because Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d is equal to n by 2 into the value of a is 1 plus n minus 1, d is equal to 2 is equal to n by 2 plus 2n minus 2, 2 to cancel, n by 2 into 2n, 2 to cancel, n into n is equal to n square. Hence Sn is equal to n square. Answer. Now I am giving a question for practice. Okay, this is the question for your practice. Find the sum of first 1000 positive integers. That's all. Thank you. Good night.